The sounds likely originate from deep-sea creatures.
Area. Similar anomalies have appeared around the world. It just disappeared from all radars. Its wreckage was never found. For quite a long time, it was believed that the plane had crashed and all the passengers had died. But there is one thing. If such an object fell into the ocean in the 15th century,
the ocean, in this light, is like an alien world within our own. Many of its creatures are still unknown to us, both in kind and number. Their behaviors and adaptations remain inexplicable. Even the very contours of this world are still unmapped. We probably know more about the surface of Mars than we know about the ocean floor. Understanding the sea is to understand our planet better, at a fundamental level. There's so much about how the planet works that is basically preserved in this sort of underwater museum, Vicky Farini, senior research scientist at Columbia University, told Vox's Mandy Nguyen in 2021. Before we dive into the ocean, there are questions about why Earth has them to begin with. Really, scientists don't fully understand how water came to cover 2/3 of the surface of our world. The problem is simple. When the Earth was forming, it was extremely hot. Any water that was around at the beginning would have boiled away. So how do you get so much liquid condensing onto the surface of a planet that should be really, really hot? Lydia Hallis, a planetary scientist at the University of Glasgow, tells Unexplainable's Noam Hassenfeld. Scientists can think of a few plausible options. Was it delivered by comets crashing into our world? Or more fantastically, do we only have water due to the extremely circumstantial event of planets like Jupiter wandering toward the Sun from the outer solar system? Or was it, somehow, deeply buried within the early Earth? Every year, tons of plastic manufactured on land is dumped into the sea. But scientists have yet to complete the work of figuring out all the nooks and crannies our plastic pollution nudges its way into. 99% of all the plastic is missing, oceanographer Eric Van Sibyl says on Unexplainable. We have dark plastic. Like the astronomers have dark matter and dark energy, we oceanographers, we don't have an idea where most of the plastic in our ocean is. We've lost it. Researchers like Van Sibyl want to know where the plastic is going so they can better understand its effects on marine life. What harm is this plastic causing to marine life, and can it be undone?